your teacher's sidekick, and this is my sidekick and one of the classroom kids,
Daphne.
She is here to help me teach you about the sound that TH makes.
And
But first, we need to
set up some rules. Rule number 1.
pay attention. If you are in a classroom, make sure you're focusing on us and be respectful of those around you.
Rule number 2.
Participate. The more that you do, the more you will learn. And last rule, have
Fun.
and try your best. Now let's get started. Crucial listening moment.
This is very important.
TH makes the sounds,
And
I call this the stick your tongue out sound. You need to stick your tongue out to pronounce it. Pronounce it means
say it the right way.
try it. And your turn. And TH has 2 different sounds. It can say where you feel like you're blowing air out, and where it kind of feels like it's vibrating.
It tickles a little. And now the moment you've all been waiting for.
Introducing our classroom kid that makes the sounds and when you see our classroom kid say and let's practice. Ready? Now, typically
Typically means usually.
sticking your tongue out has a negative connotation.
It's not nice.
But sometimes kids do it to be playful. Let's see if we can tell the difference. Say, with a smile. Now say, The first one, Daphne and I were just being playful. The second one, we weren't being nice. But me and Daphne are always nice. Now, I'm going to say some examples. If you think the child is being playful, do this with a smile. If you think the child is being mean, do this. Ready? Tapping you on the back every time you turn around. What do you think? Or You're correct. That's not hurting you, just being silly. Pushing you to get the ball back. You're right, that is not nice. Chasing you at recess. Very good. Stomping on your foot. Sitting in your chair. You're right. Holding and squeezing your hand. Very good. Sometimes it's hard to tell if kids are being playful or mean. So if you're not sure, you can always ask your family or a teacher. You can find TH at the beginning, middle, or end of words. Let's listen for the and in words. If you hear, do this. If you hear, do this. Ready? Those. Think. With. South. Them. Birthday. Panther. Now, let's practice sounding out words with this sound. If you ever want more time practicing, just press pause to freeze the screen. In, thin. Ick, thick. Path, path. Ink, think. Now we are going to practice sounding out words with the sound at, that. Them. Van. Is. This. If you are trying to sound out a word and you hear t and it doesn't make any sense, I hope you remember Daphne, our classroom kid, and the sounds and
Silly story time!
it's time to gather around and listen to a silly story about our classroom kid Daphne and the sounds and try to read the words on the screen before I say them. One rainy Thursday, Daphne was thinking about math when thunder boomed and caused her to hide underneath the table. "What are you doing under there?" asked her mother. "I'm not doing anything, but to tell you the truth, I'm just frightened by the weather," said Daphne. Her mother thought and then told Daphne that they could be brave and stand up to the thunder together. "Gather, gather," her mother said to her father and brother. "It is time to show thunder who is boss." So they all stuck their tongue out and said, "Thunder, thunder, we are brave. We have the strength to blow you south and away." So they stuck out their tongues and blew the thunder clouds away. From then on, Daphne felt brave when she heard thunder. She thought the thunder was soothing, and she clapped to the rhythm of the stormy weather. The end. You can press pause to freeze the screen and try to read all of the words and retell our silly story. Learning how to sound out words is one strategy you can use, but another strategy is to memorize words by using motions and song. We will teach you some songs to help you memorize how to read and write some common words. The first song we're going to learn is for the word the. Daphne, how do you spell the?
T-H-E.
Very good. Okay, we're going to spell the. Ready? Say and pat. T-H-E. And then say, stick your tongue out.
Stick your tongue out.
What's the word?
What's the word?
So let's start it from the beginning. Ready? T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. Do it with us. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. The next song we are going to learn is for the word that. Daphne, spell that.
T-H-A-T.
Very good. We are going to pat for this one as well and spell it. T-H-A-T. Do it, ready? T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That's.
That.
The next word we have a song for is the word with. And actually, the TH comes at the end of this word. W-I-T. Daphne, spell with for us.
W-I-T-H.
Very good. So, at the beginning, we're going to say with very slowly. Ready? With. And then when you pop up, put your hands up for the sound. Okay, so ready? Roll your head. With. And then we're gonna go W-I-T-H. With. W-I-T-H. Do it with us. Ready? With. W-I-T-H. Daphne is going to teach you how to do this song. This is for the word there. You spell this word T-H-E-I-R. So she's going to slide one way, T-H, and clap, E-I-R. Slide back to me, T-H-E-I-R. And then she is going to twist, there, 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 there. Slide one way, T-H, clap, E-I-R. T-H-E-I-R. Twist, there, 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 there. T-H-E-I-R. T-H-E-I-R. There, 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 there. Now we will play How Many Can You Guess in 1 minute? I will give you clues and you have to guess the word. Hint, the word will have the TH sound in it. Or we will see how many you and Daphne can guess in 1 minute. Okay, Daphne, are you ready to guess how many in 1 minute?
Yes.
Okay, let's set the timer. On your
Mark,
get,
set,
go.
think.
Thinking. I need a drink. I am so
Thirsty.
thirsty. Ready?
Teeth.
Teeth. Very good. Animals have these, birds have them. Tickle you with a
Pepper.
feather. Very good.
Breath.
Breath. Or I am
Breathe.
breathing. Very good.
Thumb.
Thumb.
3.
3.
Throwing.
Throwing. Very good. It's really loud. It happens during a storm.
Thunder.
Thunder. And time is up. Nice job. Rewind. Let's review. Rewind. Let's review. Rewind. Let's review. Okay. What 2 letters makes the sounds and
T-H.
Very good. TH can make the sounds or Repeat after me. TH.
Or
TH.
or
TH.
or
Very good. Now we will review words from the video. Press pause to freeze the screen if you need more time to read the words. Tooth. Van. This. Math. Mother. Thunder. Gather. South. That. If you have more time, try to think think of more words that have the sound or v in them. If you're working in a group, take turns saying TH words. If you want a challenge, Daphne, do you like challenges? Yeah, she does. If you want a challenge, you can even write the words. All right, thanks for hanging out with your teacher's sidekick and my sidekick and our classroom kid, Daphne. See you next time. Hey, don't you stick your tongue out at me.